What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are keeping up with the Corvette build, you guys probably saw that it's completed now. Obviously the car is never done. We're always gonna modify it and make it better, but the car is actually drivable now and it's got all the parts it's needed. So in this episode, we're gonna go take it out for a ride. I'm gonna tell you guys my first impressions, and I'm gonna give you guys a cost breakdown so you guys that are curious about maybe doing one of these projects from Copart can know what to expect. Let's go. So excited. Let's do this. If you guys hear this in the camera or not, but the snap, crackles, and pops are insane. So first impressions, it's very fast. It handles amazing. There is no weird sounds or anything other than the crackling from the exhaust, which is awesome. The interior doesn't feel, it still feels cheap, but it's not actually making any funny sounds either, so that's a good sign. And just this open air feel, it just feels amazing. I always wanted to have a convertible, but at the same time, in this climate where I live, convertibles don't really work. But this removable top is perfect because you really feel like you're in a convertible car, and you get that awesome feeling of a convertible and the wind and everything. It's not too hot right now, but I'm so far super happy with this car, and it's actually pretty much out of gas. It came with like no gas, and we started those couple times. So let's fill this car up with some good 93 octane, and we'll get it home, and then I'll give you guys a price breakdown. Joke. All right, we made it. First drive, amazing. It's fast. I honestly, maybe I forgot how the Mustang felt, but it feels faster than my Mustang, which makes sense because it's around the same horsepower range, but it's about 700 pounds lighter and more aerodynamic, so it feels absolutely insane. It sounds insane. The backfires they just keep going, man. Like, it feels amazing. Handling is great. Really no complaints. I'm super excited to drive this car now. Anyway, now for what you guys are probably actually here for, the price breakdown. So if you guys saw the first episode, our winning bid was $9,200. So we got that. It was all the way in Oklahoma City. We paid another $600 in auction fees. Delivery was $650, which wasn't bad. And then the steal that we got for this car was we got all our panels in black, OEM, the fender, the bumper, and the rear quarter panel we got for $600 for all of them. So just an absolute steal there. We got a reinforced better radiator support for $280. We got the rear control arm or tow arm for $40, and we needed a new amp, which was also $40. So that's really all that we changed on the car so far. That totals to $11,410. Depending when you're watching this video, this might be either be a really good price or a really bad price. At this point in time, it's a good price for me. I've shopped around on Craigslist, on eBay, all the websites, and I really couldn't find any deals even close to that. And considering how minimal this damage was and how much fun I had on this project, it's definitely worth it for me for that price. Now, you never know, the Corvette C8 just came out last week after everybody bought this one, so the prices are gonna dip a little bit. And you know, as time passes, the later you watch this video, the cheaper probably these cars are. But overall, I'm really happy about it. I haven't mentioned the wheels because that was kind of optional. We could have totally gotten the wheel replaced, but we went with a whole new wheel setup, which was still really cheap. It was only $600. All in all, about 12 grand for this car. I think it's great. It's a 6-speed manual. 6.0, it's fast, it looks great, and I can't wait to start modding it. So I just want to say thank you to everyone that watched this build. I had a ton of fun making the videos and fixing this car, and I'm gonna have even more fun driving it, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Stay tuned for modifications to this car and some more builds in the future coming up. So yeah, like always, thank you for watching. Peace.